Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to enable Google Authenticator on Gate.io. So it's really simple to do this. So all you have to do is go to your Gate.io basically and then go to your profile. So basically from here, top left corner, go to your profile, security right there. And then scroll on to two-factor authentication or Google Authenticator. So Google Authenticator is not available, so I copy my key right here. I go to Authenticator basically, and then I add it right here. So enter the setup key. I enter my key basically right here, and then time base, account name. So just place Gate.io, then add that, copy this. So we copy the code, we go back, and then we place the Google input code basically, and then you place your SMS code for double verification. You send it, and then you enable Google Authenticator. So I'm not gonna enable it because I don't want to, but I don't need it actually. So there you go, guys. That is how you enable your Google Authenticator on Gate.io. So you can, even though you try to copy this, you won't get my SMS code, and neither do I even use Gate.io. This is only for demonstration purposes. So there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.